Hello everyone, I'm Barney and I work on the trade counter at Fast Key Services, and in this video we're going to show you how to remove the lock cores from Huwil locks. Now Huwil locks, they actually have a very unique way of removing the cores, as they don't need a specifically designed removal key to do that. All you need is a set of working keys, or a master key will work just fine, and one of these removal pins. These are available on our website. So, as you can see on the lock, you can see that there's a notch here nearest the number, and if you look around the rest of the body, there's also another notch here. Now these two notches need to line up, so you take your working key, put that in the lock, turn the lock until the notches line up there, as you can see. Take your removal pin, put that into the lock. Now this will require a little bit of force, so push the pin in as far as it will go, and then, with a bit of luck, you can take out the old core. Now take your new core, and as you can see in there, there's a shape underneath there, and that needs to line up with the shape on the back of the core. So just push that in until it clicks, like that. Check to see if the mechanism works, which it does. And that is that core changed. And that's how you remove the lock cores for the Huwil locks. Great, thank you very much for watching this. If you want to stay notified of when we upload a new video, click on subscribe and click the bell icon next to it. It really helps us out. So yes, thank you very much for watching once again, and we'll see you in the next video.